Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Fish Quest. First, ensure you have the right fishing rod and bait. Check your inventory for any quest-specific items you might need. Then, head to the designated fishing area marked on your map. Speak to the quest giver to confirm the exact type and quantity of fish required for completion. This preparation is key to a smooth start. Once at your fishing spot, cast your line into the water. Pay close attention to your bobber or line for any signs of a bite. When a fish bites, quickly click or press the action button to hook it. Then, carefully reel in your catch, managing the tension to prevent the fish from escaping. Practice makes perfect for landing those tricky fish. After catching the required number and type of fish, return to the quest giver. Interact with them to turn in your completed quest. You will then receive your rewards, which might include experience points, currency, or new items. Take a moment to organize your inventory and prepare for your next fishing expedition or other in-game activities. To maximize your success, always use the appropriate bait for the fish you are targeting. Some fish are more active during specific in-game times, like dawn or dusk, so plan your fishing trips accordingly. Consider upgrading your fishing rod and line to improve your chances of catching rarer or larger fish. These small adjustments can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.